Are you ready to show up and show with code? From October 1st to December 13th, SAS is partnering with Sphero on a virtual coding challenge to help students learn how to make a meaningful impact on the world around them. Show up by learning about the United Nations 17 Sustainable Goals. Show with code by creating a program using SAS Code Snaps to navigate a Sphero robot through an obstacle course. We all want to help end extreme poverty, injustice, hunger, and climate change. But with the pandemic and most of us in virtual learning, how can we? Here's one way. Participate in the Show with Code 2020 challenge. Here's what you need to do. First, explore Gather IQ. The more you move through this free resource from SAS, the more you'll learn about the global goals and how you can make an impact. Then, create your course. Here's one example. After learning that donating gently used clothes supports Global Goal 1, create a grid course to highlight other items you can donate: toys, books, shoes. Next, use Code Snaps to write a program to navigate the robot through the course. Be sure to video your code and record the robot completing the course. And finally, enter the challenge. Share your video on Twitter and include hashtag ShowWithCode2020 and your grade level. Not on social? No worries. Check out the blog for more challenge details. Winners will receive a SAS Sphero prize pack. Are you ready to take action? If so, show up and show with code.